Story 6. A hermit, being the guest of a padshah, ate less than he wished when sitting at dinner, and when he rose for prayers, he prolonged them more than was his wont, in order to enhance the opinion entertained by the padshah of his piety. O Arab of the desert, I fear thou wilt not reach the Kaaba, because the road on which thou travellest leads to Turkestan. When he returned to his own house, he desired the table to be laid out for the eating. He had an intelligent son who said, "Father, hast thou not eaten anything at the repast of the Sultan?" He replied, "I have not eaten anything to serve a purpose." The boy said, "Then likewise, say thy prayers again, as thou hast not done anything to serve that purpose." I kind of like what the Thelemites do. What is your will to eat and drink? To what end? To what end? That sort of stuff. O thou who showest virtues on the palms of the hand, but concealest thy errors under the armpit, what wilt thou purchase, O vainglorious fool, on the day of distress? With counterfeit silver